So I want to introduce you guys to my little friend here. Mm-hmm. 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 Yeah, I don't know if he been talking to y'all the whole video, but he been real loud lately. Okay, and I just want to say I'm sorry. I didn't mean for him to be here. I actually told him to go home, but he just, you know how you have those people that just come to your house and they don't want to leave? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking all about conditioners while I deep condition my hair. So if you're interested in that, keep watching. Cue the intro! So today we're going to be talking all about conditioners. So I'm going to be deep conditioning while I talk to you guys, and I'm going to be using the Strength Protein Moisture Balance Conditioner from Mish. I was just feeling like my hair needed a little protein, so this is the one I went for, and I never got to review it for you guys, so this product smells really good. It smells sweet. So I'm gonna start by taking down this section, and yes, this is right after that pre-poo with the aloe vera, so my hair is still in those same sections. I shampoo with the Cream of Nature shampoo. All right, so I'm all done with this section. I'm gonna twist her up so that we can chit chat about these products that I'm gonna be talking about today. I heard some people say this deep conditioner didn't have a lot of slip, and it may be because my hair is already detangled, but the slip was just okay. And I usually like let products sit before I say anything about the slip, but that slip was okay. All right, so the first, I would like to say there are 3 different types of conditioner. There is a rinse out conditioner, a deep conditioner, and then a leave-in conditioner. So let's first start off talking about the rinse out conditioner. So I'm going to be using these Cream of Nature Pure Honey products as an example because I have the conditioner, the leave-in, and the deep conditioner with me. But I'm not going to use them clearly today. I just wanted to show you guys what I'm talking about while I'm talking about them. So this is the regular rinse out conditioner. It doesn't say rinse out on it, but we're going to get into that. So regular conditioners usually won't say anything to make you confused between the 3 different types. So that is much appreciated. So usually rinse out conditioners are used like just as the name implies. It's a rinse out conditioner. You use it after you shampoo to moisturize your hair because shampoos dry your hair out. So the whole point of the regular conditioner is to moisturize your hair. But it is not meant to be left in, not for any amount of time anyway. As opposed to a deep conditioner or a leave-in conditioner. It is supposed to be rinsed out pretty much after you apply it, or like the directions on the bottle will tell you how long they want you to leave it in, but it's usually something like 5 minutes or 3 minutes or something, just while you're detangling or whatever. I don't usually use a regular conditioner to detangle my hair except for the Aussie Moist. Y'all know that Aussie Moist is bae. This video is not going to be very detailed. We're going to talk about cursory information, like just how you should use the different types of conditioner, not the science behind it, because that would be a lie if I was telling you guys the science behind it. I don't know it. But yeah, the regular conditioners or rinse out conditioners, however you want to say it, they are used to add that moisture back to your hair before you go to styling and make your hair more moisturized and lay and all that good stuff. But they are not meant to be left in for any long amount of time. Some naturals will use their regular conditioners as a leave-in, but that is not what they are meant for. They're meant to be used immediately after the conditioner, and then you go in with the deep conditioner. So do with that information what you will. Some people use their conditioners like that. I do not. I rinse out my conditioners, and also I have heard from a lot of different people that if you leave in a conditioner that's supposed to be rinsed out, that sometimes it can cause scalp irritation. So just be mindful of that. Make the decision for yourself. If you're trying to save some coins, I already have scalp problems and I don't need no more. And also I have leave-ins that I like. So that is all we have to say about conditioners. Next is deep conditioners. Now, deep conditioners, a lot of people are confused sometimes by deep conditioners because of the name. The names change so much for deep conditioners. You can get a product that just says deep conditioner. You can get a product that says deep treatment. You can get a product that says hair mask. You can get a product that says deep treatment mask. They usually have some kind of way to let you know it's supposed to be penetrating. Like a mask is supposed to be, very hydrating, and a deep conditioner is supposed to be deep penetration or whatever. So for the Cream of Nature, the Pure Honey line, it says hair mask, which is different than, what does this say? This one, if you can see on the bottom, the one that I'm actually using in my hair right now. Can it focus? Doesn't want to focus? That one says deep conditioner. So it's very varied. I don't know why people will change the names, but it means the same thing. Deep treatment, deep conditioner, hair mask, deep treatment mask. It's all the same thing. So a deep conditioner is typically meant to be left in your hair for a longer time than the regular conditioners. The regular conditioners, they'll usually say, do what you got to do with it and then rinse it out, or leave it in for 5 minutes or so and then rinse it out. But deep conditioners usually will say, they might say 30 minutes to 45 minutes to an hour. It just depends on the brand and the product and all that. So companies will usually tell you to use it with heat, because heat helps products penetrate into your hair. So I recommend that you deep condition your hair every week, and I deep condition my hair every week, and it makes your hair feel so good. It's like, why would you not deep condition? For most people, deep conditioning is when they will detangle their hair, and that is what I do when I'm deep conditioning. I usually detangle my hair during that step, just because it gives my hair the most slip and the most moisture to do so. Any other time it's kind of risque. Your deep conditioners really repair your hair from all the damage from the shampoo and just from your daily, hair wearing, whatever you're doing. And it also moisturizes your hair and prepares it for styling. So a deep conditioner can really change up somebody's hair routine and make your hair so much more manageable and so much more hydrated. Your curls will pop more. Everything just gets better with a deep conditioner. The next and the last type of conditioner I'm going to talk about is a leave-in conditioner. Now, I love leave-in conditioners. So, whereas deep conditioners and regular conditioners usually come in a pretty similar format, I've never really seen a pump deep conditioner. And regular conditioners are usually a lighter consistency than a deep conditioner. But with leave-in conditioners, there's a lot of variation. You can get one that is so thick you can't even get it out of the jar or the pump or whatever. And you can get one that is a spray. So anywhere in between there, they can have anything for you, really. For the honey line from Cream of Nature, they decided to go with a spray. Can you guys see that? Yeah, they decided to go with a spray situation. I don't really go for sprays normally because they don't really give my hair the lasting moisture or the detangling properties that most other leave-ins will give me. But that is not to say I've never had a good spray leave-in. So a leave-in conditioner has a semi-different purpose from the other products. This is gonna be your actual moisturizer before you put your styling product in. It's going to give your hair moisture, it's going to soften your hair, and it's going to make sure your hair is still going to be moisturized under whatever styler you're using. Because most stylers don't really have a lot of moisture in them. In general, gels are very drying to your hair. So to protect yourself and to protect your hair, that is why you should use a leave-in conditioner. And as far as the name for a leave-in conditioner, they're also varied. They can say a leave-in conditioning cream, a leave-in reparative cream. Most of the time they will say leave-in, or they'll say detangler, something like that. And that is to let you know that it's a leave-in. I love leave-ins. I don't do my hair without a leave-in. I'm a leave-in guy. I love a leave-in. I don't leave the house without it. So I have a big head, and I was hoping that I was going to get around all of my head with this conditioner, but I was not able to. It is empty. It is completely empty. So I started off saying I was not going to be using this Cream of Nature deep conditioner, but I actually cannot find the moisturizing conditioner from the Miche line. So I am going to have to end up just using this. So that's what we're going with for this back right section. To sum everything up, I use all three. I use a regular rinse out conditioner, I use deep conditioners, and I always use a leave-in conditioner. My hair tends to be on the very dry side, so to combat that, I proactively fight against it by adding all these moisturizing products. I would say if there's any one conditioner you can say, I don't really need that, is the regular conditioner, the rinse out conditioner, because really, you don't need it. If I had to live without one, I absolutely had to let go, it would be the rinse out conditioner. And that's because you can always pre-poo with something else, like some aloe vera juice or whatever. If you want to learn more about pre-poos, I talked about that in my last video. So click that card, or just go to after you click that subscribe button, just click the channel and you can go to my channel. Yeah. And then you can see the aloe vera pre-poo video. But yeah, there are a bunch of different ways you can pre-poo. It doesn't have to be with the rinse out conditioner from that line, and that's actually not what they intended to be used for. That's just what I personally use it for, because that's how I feel it works best in my routine. But you don't have to use it like that. And the reason why I feel like you can live without it is because if you use it as they want you to, like use it after you shampoo, then you condition, then you deep condition, it's not really a whole lot of purpose in conditioning and then deep condition, because it's like kind of being redundant. And the deep conditioner is more potent than a regular conditioner, so it's not really a lot of purpose to use the conditioner in the first place. For me, I don't see the purpose in that, because they're both conditioners. So why wouldn't I just use the one that works better? Yeah. So that is how I wash my hair. I don't want my hair to be dry, because dry hair does not grow. So this video may seem a little crazy to some of you, because, who doesn't know about conditioner? That's what I was thinking. But then y'all ain't gonna believe this. In my own family, the ones that are supposed to love and care for me, some of them, I'm not gonna say no names, but you know who you are, don't believe in conditioner. Now, it's not to say that, if you use conditioner, your hair will grow so fast. But I feel like it definitely aids with your hair growth, and especially as far as moisture and the way your hair feels. If my hair is going to be short, I want it to feel good. If it's going to be long, I want it to feel good. So with conditioner, that's how you get there. Either condition, shampoo, deep condition, and leave-in, or you shampoo, condition, deep conditioning, and leave-in, or lastly, you don't use the rinse out conditioner and you just shampoo, deep condition, leave-in condition. But please let it be A, B, or C. If it's D, I'm not even gonna give y'all a D option, but if you put a D in the comments, we're fighting. If you have any questions on how to use a deep conditioner or which deep conditioner you should use for what problem, you can leave that down in the comment section below, or you can DM me on Instagram. The link to my Instagram is always in the description box, so you can always click that, follow me on Instagram, and DM me if you want to talk. We could talk, okay? Because I thought this video was going to be nonsensical, but the thing is, everybody doesn't know everything. If you have made it to the end of this video, claps and snaps to you. I can't snap. I can't snap. Thank you for making it to the end of the video. And while you're here, just make sure you're subscribed. It's a little button down here. And then right next to the subscription, it's a little bell. And if you click that, then you know every time that I post. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.